Come with this cooking banana. Bro. Bro. What's wrong? What is this you're thinking about that's making you not eat? I called you like 3 times. What is it? Wait. Don't tell me this is about that lady we almost hit. Don't tell me.
I can just stop thinking about her. There's just something about her.
There's nothing about her. In fact, the only thing that is there about her is her poverty.
ZINA.
I'm saying the truth. I mean, why would somebody be walking like she has the whole country on her back? I don't get it. Like she's blind. Please, I don't like her.
ZINA, how can you say something harsh about someone you don't even know?
Bro, you know me, I don't like poor people. Like, it's not even a new thing. You know that I don't have conversations or even anything to do with them.
You know, those are harsh words to say, right?
What do you want me to say? Bro, I'm telling you. Should I tell you the truth? Immediately that lady said a word, she screamed main character trauma. I swear to God.
Okay, that's enough, ZINA.
Bro, you
That's enough. Eat up. We're going to look for her.
We're going to do what? Excuse me.
We're going to look for her. I need to make
Why
sure.
are we going to look for her to make sure that she's okay? She's okay. You saw her. Is it because she was limping? I don't get it. You apologized to her. You even almost carried her in our car. Please, 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 please. Don't bother me about someone I don't even like.
Someone will hear you think you're my mother.
It's not about being mother. What if that lady doesn't exist? What if she's just a spirit and wanted to put us into temptation? Because if you had mistakenly hit her and she just fainted now, they'll put you in jail. And then that's who you want to go and look for. Ah, now, bro. Don't do this so. Don't do this so.
Eat up. We're going to look for her.
I'm not going anywhere to look for.
What are you doing here?
I'm sorry to just come like that. I asked her on.
Should even be great for my brother to come and tell me. I mean, you're not even that special.
I'm so sorry for coming unannounced, but I had to ask around. And I was directed here.
So this rat's hole, this thing.
Hey, hello. Who raised you?
Excuse you?
Exactly. Because whoever did that did a terrible job.
What did you want to just say to me?
It's not good to be here.
What did you do? It's something that I'm not.
Sorry about
What do you want?
I don't even know. You need help. I just want to offer my help. I just want to be there for you.
As what? Look, if this is leading to a relationship, I am not in that headspace. So don't even try.
No. I don't want a relationship. I just want to be there for you. I just want us to talk. Please, let me have a minute.
Thank you. I'll give you a call.
But where's my monthly allowance?
It's on the dining downstairs.
It's not. I checked. I saw your AirPods and a glass of juice. Are you even listening to me? Wow. You're so obsessed with this girl. Look at you. That's why you're acting deaf, huh?
Zina, not now, please.
I want my money. Stop acting like your world suddenly revolves around some poor girl with smart insults.
The transaction is pending. You'll get your money.
Okay.
No, thank you.
Well, thank you. But I have an advice for you. You better stop this thing. Just don't come crying to me when she goes to you, because I know she will. I won't even listen to you. Thank you, though.
Hey. Sophia, I'm not interrupting your lecture, eh? This is my life savings. 50,000.
Daddy.
I use it to buy a fairly used laptop.
But this one cannot buy fairly used laptop now. It can only buy headsets.
Sophia, you see, that person that drank water has promised the tummy of food.
Daddy, this thing cannot buy anything.
Who are you calling?
Let me put it on my status if I'll be able to find someone that will sell something to me.
Must you announce it to the whole world? Eh?
Everything is online now. Yes.
Just be careful. Huh?
I see. 95,000. 95. Do these people even know what I did to collect this 50,000 naira? Are you sure? Sure we cannot add to it? Eh?
Sophia, it will be all right. You will find the one that will cost this amount of money, eh?
But it will not make sense.
Sophia, Yama, the same. The only difference is the person that is used to eating Kokoyama, not eating yam.
Good morning, Sophia.
What are you doing here again?
Well, I came to give you this.
What's that?
It's a laptop and a Wi-Fi, everything you need for your online classes.
How did you know I needed that?
I saw your WhatsApp status and I decided to help.
Are you stalking me now?
No, I'm not stalking you. Let's just say I was concerned. I wanted to help.
I cannot accept it. I don't even know you.
Why don't you get to know me? And you don't reject a gift because it's unfamiliar. So, there you go.
You got me a laptop and Wi-Fi. You don't even know me. Why?
Well, that's true. I don't even know you, but just see me as a godsend. So I'll let you get back to what you're doing. I'll talk to you later.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Daddy, this laptop is working, oh. The way the school portal is just going.
That's good, my dear. But be careful. Very careful.
I know you don't trust people easily.
My dear. You know, the way the bitter cola sounds when you're chewing it is not the way it tastes.
Network has started again.
It's okay. Just go outside.
The sun is too much outside.
Find a shade now. Go ahead. Go ahead. That's by the corner of the house there.
Hey, how you doing? How is the laptop? I hope everything is working fine.
Oh yeah, everything you got for me is perfect. Thank you. Yeah, but this rat hole that I live in, like your sister said, has no network. So I'm just sitting outside.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that.
Wait, what? Why?
You're welcome. You know what? You just wait for me. I'm coming. Yeah, I'm coming over. Yeah, just wait outside. I'm coming over. I'm coming over. You'll see me in a bit. All right? You will see me soon, okay?
Bro, what? Excuse me. What am I hearing? You bought a laptop for that girl, someone you barely know.
Zina, please, not now, okay?
Oh, can't you see what this lady is doing? She's a gold digger. She intentionally threw herself in front of your car because she knew you are rich. Yes.
Zina!
Bro!
Will you keep quiet? Will you keep your mouth shut? Do you realize that you are my younger sister, not my mother? It is my money we're talking about here. I work for it and not for you. Zina! You are 15. Did you hear me? You are 15. Stay in your lane. Stay in your lane. Where's my car keys?
Do I look like I know? Do I drive? Can you imagine? 15 and so, I mean, 15 is not even like I'm a baby. I'm not a child like that. Have sense. But you see this your Cinderella thing? You see how long it will last? Nonsense. Eh? What's the kind of laptop? And I don't even have a laptop. I don't have a laptop. And you went to buy a laptop for that cheap thing.
Where are you taking me to?
Just somewhere with good network reception.
You're not taking me to your house.
Come on, Sophia. No, I'm not taking. No, I'm not. Come on. Just a restaurant down the road. They have good power supply and the network there is okay. Plus, they have good Zobo.
Okay. Sorry, I misunderstood.
It's fine.
Thank you for everything.
You're welcome.
Daddy, I was studying and the network was not good, so Ethan took me to a quiet restaurant to study.
Good day, sir. I'm sorry that she overstayed her time there. It wasn't my intention, sir. My name is Ethan Hart, sir. I just wanted to tell you that I mean no harm for your daughter. I see a lot of potential in her, and I just want to guide her through. Yes, sir.
Listen, young man. I may not have much, but I'm honest worker. I wake up in the morning and I work. This is my only daughter. What I didn't give her in gold, I gave her in guidance. She's so precious to me. I wouldn't want you to overstep your boundaries where she is.
Yes, sir.
Because I have spent my life protecting hers. She's very precious to me.
Sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir. I've heard you, sir. I'm sorry. I won't do that again, and I will respect your decision, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Good night, sir.
Goodbye, Ethan. Good night, young man.
Yeah, good night, sir.
See, I'm tired because I don't know if these people think they are teaching machine. I've never finished one. They've dropped 3 again.
Well, that's university life for you, even if it's online. Well, you know what? Send me your course outline. Maybe I can help with 1 or 2.
Are you sure? Because this is really confusing, especially this economic structure and the virtual markets.
What is it?
Pay your departmental fee to avoid restrictions. Why these people asking me to pay department? Am I not on scholarship? Are they trying to scam me?
Departmental fees?
I don't know, because I'm on full scholarship, so I don't know why they're asking me to pay for it.
Don't worry yourself, okay? Just focus on what you're doing. Focus on school, all right? Let me call you back shortly, okay? Don't stress yourself. Just a minute, please. Thank you.
Oh, tired, sorry.
Yes. Why didn't you pay her departmental fees?
I asked you to make 100% payment. This is a full scholarship. She's not supposed to pay for anything. It's a full scholarship, no gaps. Listen to me. Listen to me. Tell the school authorities, the lecturers, and even the cleaners, if you need anything regarding to her, you come to me. No messages should be sent to her. Do you understand me?
I am doing everything possible, sorting the lecturers and paying everything just to make sure she is not disturbed. Exactly. Remember, she is not just any student, and her profile needs to be protected. Do it now. Thank you. Oh. Come in.
Sophia,
Hi.
what? How did you find my place?
You told my dad where you live, remember? And I have sharp memory, so in case I ever need to visit.
So you memorized my address?
Just in case. Like today, I came to tell you thank you because I had 94 in the assignments that you taught me. So, actually better than you two.
You're welcome. Do you want to come in?
Yeah, you
So, Sophia, what's your story? Tell me about yourself.
Excuse me, what's she doing here, bro? What are you doing here? Are you that desperate? Oh, this is your plan. You want to milk my brother, right?
Excuse me.
ZINA.
Bro, stop calling me. She's a gold digger. Tell her to leave this house. She doesn't do that. Oh my! Bro, you wanted to hit me. You almost hit me because of this stranger. This poor stranger. I'm disappointed. I'm disappointed, bro. Why are you disappointed?
I should get going.
Hey. No, Sophia, please.
You don't understand. I don't have any sibling or anyone. And I know how it feels to be alone. I don't want to be the reason your sister feels that way.
You can see me as a big brother, okay?
A brother.
Yes, someone in your corner, someone who's there for you, just anytime you need them.
Okay. Big brother. Yeah, good.
ZINA, what are you doing?
What else? I'm packing. I'm going to Auntie Zubi's house. Since I'm not needed here. Leave me.
What do you mean by you're not needed here?
You said it yourself. I mean, you told her to call you big bro. So, I'm nobody in this house. I'm just a shadow. So I should just...
Oh, you are my only sister. You are my only sibling.
No, but
the only person I have in my life. You know, ever since mom and dad died, it's just been the both of us. Huh?
But I heard you tell her, you can call me big bro. And she did. She called you big bro. So what am I supposed to call you then? You even raised your hand to hit me. Bro, you almost hit me.
Look, I was not going to hit
No, that's the height.
I was not going to hit you. Look, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. But you pushed me. You just started...
I'm heartbroken. I'm devastated. You don't even know. You're giving me headache.
I'm sorry. Can I be your panadol? I'm sorry.
You making fun of me?
No, I'm not.
Oh, you're making fun of me?
No, I'm not.
You're not taking me serious.
I'm taking you serious now. My darling, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. Don't leave me. I promise. I will do better. Nobody will come between us. You are my only sibling and my only sister and my only relative right now. You are the most important person in the world to me. You're the apple of my eye. You're the only gem I have in my...
It's okay.
So, are you still going to Auntie Zubi's house?
Going where? Never in my life will I willingly go to that lady's house. Haven't you been there before? Our children are like loudspeakers, always making noise, no peace, no silence. No. I just did it to make you feel guilty.
Well, mission accomplished.
But please, I want to beg you.
What?
Don't do that till you did again.
Come here.
You embarrassed me. You almost hit me in front of...
I said I'm sorry. It was a mistake now. And ZINA,
You will not do it
I
again.
won't do it again. I promise.
Okay. You buy me ice cream. You take me out.
Pack your bags. Pack your bags. I'm going. Pack your bags.
Shibi, if you had a car now, I would have almost gotten to school. Sit down.
Yeah. Sophia, don't eat okra soup while it's hot. Oh.
I have an important exam today. I see the time. I'll still go to the bus stop. I'll be waiting for bus.
It's okay, Sophia.
So if I miss this exam today, it's your fault, though. Everything is your fault.
Get there on time. Don't worry, Sophia. You have a PhD. You'll be president of the country. Huh?
Can you stop calling me a sister? Because I don't see him as a brother, not even close.
Oh, sorry. Oh, Zina. Hey, there you go.
Where's my own food?
I thought you already had breakfast now. I didn't make for you. Besides, she didn't eat before we went to school.
I don't get it. Why?
There's some in the pot. You can help
Leave
us.
me alone. Do it for me.
How did you know I didn't eat this morning?
Well, you don't need to feel embarrassed, but your stomach played a concert on our way back from school.
So you took me to school, waited till I finished my exam, brought me home to cook for me.
Well, let's say it's a brotherly way of taking care of a sister.
I'm not your sister, Ethan.
Can you stop calling me a sister? Because I don't see him as a brother, not even close.
I didn't say it before because I wasn't sure. But you see now, I am very sure. He's trying to sneak into my brother's life. Just a random girl. Her name is Sophia or whatever she calls herself. I think Sophia. And do you know the worst part of this whole thing? She's poor. She's so poor. I mean, it's written all over her. Once you see her, you see poverty. I'm telling you, she's always trying everything to make my brother see her. Eating his food, using his stuff, smiling like she owns the place. No. I don't want this to get out of hand. Honestly, I don't. And my brother isn't... I'm telling you, my brother is giving her attention. A poor girl. Okay, I'm just going to be giving you heads up. Yes. I don't know what to do, honestly. I don't know. I don't want my brother to break my head. But I don't like her. You need to see her. Only her aura is minus 1,000. Everything about her, once you see her, you know that, this person is poor. This person needs help. Yes, that's how she saw my brother. Immediately my brother saw her, he's like, you need help, oh. I hate those kind of people. People that are always painting themselves in a way that you want to start helping them. Please, I beg you, please.
Please, there's network here. Time I go back to the house now to disappear.
Then stay here.
Excuse me.
You heard me. You can stay here. Stay here during the weekdays and the weekends when you go back home.
That's a lot. I mean, you're kind, but that feels like a huge leap.
Sophia, it's just for school, okay? Besides, you said your classes are suffering because of the badness of reception. So why don't you stay here? I don't bite. My sister is here. This place is safe.
You've been nothing but helpful, but my father would never agree to that.
Let me talk to you.
Let me think about it.
All right.
Ethan, so this is my only daughter. You know, they say that she's one eye that a blind person uses to see. So if anything happens to her, you have me to contend with.
I know, sir.
She may not have anything, but she has me. All right?
Yes, sir.
I do not trust anybody, but I'm learning to trust you. And I'm sending her to your house because of her studies. Ethan.
Sir.
I don't want it to sound like I'm taking yams to the goat. No romance.
Yes, sir.
Make sure you protect, guide my daughter for her studies. Take care of her and let her concentrate on her studies.
I will, sir.
Sophia.
Daddy.
You are going to study. Remain focused. Eyes on the ball. Eyes on the ball. Eyes on the ball. Don't lose sight of the ball because of the leg.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. We'll be on our way, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, welcome to my humble abode.
I still cannot believe that you convinced my dad to let me stay here. He doesn't let me go for holidays. Like, I don't know my cousins, I don't know my aunts, my uncles. But he allowed me to stay here. Please, what did you tell him?
Well, let's just say I have my charms and I don't tell my secrets.
Mr. Secret Weapon.
Excuse me? Bro, you are really serious. She's moving in. So it's true. She's moving in. How could you let her move in? Are you okay? She's a poor girl. She might be a thief or an obanje or something even worse.
Shut up. What is your problem? Since the very moment we met, you've done nothing but insult me. Are you crazy? I might be from a poor, but I will not have you insult me, okay? And there is nothing you can do to send me out of this house or from Heaton.
Oh, really? Well, there's nothing I can do. But someone who can do something is here. Ta-da!
Hey, baby! Oh, my lover. Baby, I missed you. Oh, come here. Baby, I miss you.
Annie.
Yeah?
You didn't tell me you were coming.
Yes, babe. I wanted to surprise you.
Well, I'm surprised. Anyways, Annie meets Sophia, Annie.
Nice to meet you.
Miss Sophia, I hope you are happy to see your brother's wife-to-be.
I mean, your sister-in-law.
Please, can you show me my room?
Yeah, sure. Just this way.
Oh, wait. Who's she?
I'll tell you later, okay? Be right back.
Yeah. As it should be.
It's fine, don't be bothered, okay?
Okay. So how are you?
Me? Good. I'm just pissed a little bit because you had the effrontery to talk to me in that manner. Don't worry. I will teach her a lesson. You will teach her a lesson, right? I trust you.
Is she really your girlfriend?
Yes, she is.
So why didn't you tell me? Why didn't you ever mention her? Why did you come into my life and make me...
Sophia, are you okay?
Just tell me the truth. Don't lie to me. Is she really your girlfriend?
Yes, she is.
Please leave.
Sorry.
I said leave.
Sophia.
Why does it hurt so much? Why am I feeling this way? He didn't even promise me anything.
So who is Sophie? Who is she?
She's just a girl that needed help, and so I'm giving it to her.
Oh, just the girl that needed help. You paid her school fees. You bought her a laptop. And you even brought her into this house to live with you.
And it's not what you think, okay? She just needs help, and I'm just being there for her. That's all.
Oh, she just needed help. Of all human on earth to help, you decided to help Sophie, a girl you barely even know? What is going on?
I don't know, okay? I don't know. I'm just trying to help her, period.
Really? ZINA told me how you guys met. But all of this does not make sense. You don't just meet someone and suddenly decided to help the person. It doesn't work like that. What is going on?
Nothing. Nothing is going on.
Oh, okay. Nothing is going on. Then she has to leave. You know, all of this has to end. Yes.
Annie. She's not leaving.
Then why? Eden, why is she not leaving? Why? I am talking to you, Ethan. Why? Okay, don't you leave me and come and answer my questions. Like, who the f is she?
Sophia, can I come in?
You shouldn't be here.
You were sad earlier. I just came to check up on you.
Why didn't you tell me you had a girlfriend?
Because you never asked.
You didn't think I deserved to know. You came into my life and you did so much, and I don't know something as basic as that.
Sophia, why does it matter to you?
What do you think?
I don't know. If there's something you want to tell me, just say it.
Why did you do all that for me? The laptop, the fees, the attention, the care. Why?
Because you needed help.
Oh, please spare me that. People walk past those who need help every day, so why did you pick me? Do you have feelings for me?
No.
Your girlfriend is in your room. Go back to her.
I can't leave you like this.
Why? Tell me.
Sophia, I care about you.
As what? And don't even tell me your sister, because I am not. I don't want to be your sister. I have fallen for you. I don't know how, I don't know when. I tried to fight it, and I'm jealous that you have a girlfriend. I have fallen in love with you, Ethan.
Like I said, I actually like that one as well.
Really?
But I don't like that pink bag. I think it puts out the shade of pink is a little bit too shouty.
Are you serious?
Yeah, and one more thing I forgot to ask you. How are things going with your preparation? I mean, your wedding plans with my brother. I can't wait to officially call you sister-in-law.
Well, hopefully next month. Yeah, we are finalizing things.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wait, you're doing the wedding next month?
Of course. Like
Wow.
the wedding dress, everything
Oh my
is ready. The venue
God.
is in Paris.
Wait, have you picked your wedding dress or do you need me?
ZINA, I have already, but you're just going to support with the bridesmaids.
Don't worry,
and...
I'll do anything. You know it's my brother's wedding and it's going to be very expensive.
I know, right? Money. It's in Paris. Some persons cannot even afford it.
I mean, they will do their own in their compound with their relatives.
Of course, with their cheap hair and clothing. They cannot relate.
I know, right?
Wait.
Sorry.
I mean, it's not a big deal. It's just a scratch. That's it.
I know, but in this house, people don't feel pain a lot. Let me go get the ultimate to apply. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Just rub.
Ouch.
Oh, sorry.
Are you trying to massage my foot or are you trying to peel my skin off?
I'm sorry. I'm not used to this. ZINA does not injure her leg trying to escape Daini drama.
You didn't have to carry me up.
I wanted to.
Why do you care so much?
I have to.
That's not an answer. You say you care and then you act like it's nothing, but your eye says otherwise.
Sophia, don't do this.
Do what?
Don't make me say things I shouldn't.
I already told you how I felt.
I know.
What about you?
You should rest. I would get you something warm to drink. Try it back.
Why can't he just say it?
supposed to protect and not fall for. Come on, Ethan, you can't fall for her. You're supposed to provide and protect her. Yes. I've sent the money. You will see it soon. Make sure you pay her school fees and every other fees. Yes. And also, pay for the school canteen. I want her to eat whatever she feels like eating. Okay, that's good. One more thing. Please get her some nice clothes, new ones. Yeah, and just something decent and nice. Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you. I'm supposed to take care of her even though I can't be with her.
You were with her, weren't you? Huh? Ethan, why is she really here?
You know why? She's a girl and she needs my help for her school.
Help? Ethan, you barely accept visitors. Huh? You don't even let your uncles and aunties pass 2 nights in this house, and yet you brought in a total stranger to come live with you.
She's not a stranger. Yeah, and she's not staying here forever. Just weekdays.
Please tell me the truth, Ethan. Please. Have you fallen for her?
Annie.
I came here to surprise you, to talk to you about our future, and you've been sleeping away from me ever since she came into this house.
I'm sorry.
Shh. I don't even blame her. It is you that I blame because you let this happen to us. I see you're making yourself feel so comfortable.
I'm working on my assignments. Do you have a problem?
Of course, there's a problem. This isn't a hostel charity case.
And look, whatever thing you think you're doing here, I don't understand. Because this place is not a reality show. Ethan is mine. So whatever sub-story you got in there is not going to keep you in this house. Okay?
I didn't come here for Ethan.
Then pack your bags so that it doesn't look like you came here for him.
I told my brother, this lady, she has a plan. She's sneaky.
She's not going to survive it. Not with us here.
Right.
Coming.
Hey.
What is that?
I got you some clothes.
You got me clothes.
Yes, I figured something new for you to make you feel.
Why are you doing all this for me?
Well, because you need help and I happen to be able to provide it.
Oh, please. You're lying. But thank you. This is really nice. I've never had something this flashy.
Anyway, just try them on when you can and let me know if they fit.
Oh, wait. Can I try one on for you?
Sophia, I don't
Just
think that's
one.
good.
Just one. Try this one. You bought me this dress.
I didn't know you look this.
Hot. Tell me, were you trying to drive me crazy or yourself?
Sophia. I can't.
Why did it feel so right?
This girl is getting too comfortable in this house. Your brother is spending more time with her than me. You know, your brother used to call me 3 times a day. Now I'm even lucky to get a reply from him.
Did you see the way he carried her? When she just scraped her leg, she didn't even dislocate her joints or anything. Just a fall. I'm sure if I was the one, if I had fallen or even tripped, my brother would have laughed hard.
Then we need to let her know where she belongs. A poor girl living in a rich man's home, she doesn't belong here. No.
Wait. I think I have an idea. How about something goes missing? Like something very valuable, something that my brother cherishes with all his heart.
Wait. Like the silver wristwatch he keeps in his drawer?
That our dad gave him
Yes.
before he died. Perfect! We could just plant it in her bag or somewhere so that when he asks for it, we'll make it look like she took it. Simple.
ZINA, that's smart. I like. You know, she get accused. Ethan is forced to comfort her. She neither leaves or he throws her out of the house.
Both ways we win. She still lives.
Girl.
Oh,
You're smart.
This is just the final plan. Not even plan B or plan C or plan. We're leaving immediately. Just throw this back.
Then I'll get my man to myself.
Exactly.
Then you have your brother to yourself.
Exactly. Oh, Lord. It's been a long time I even sat down with my brother to communicate, to have like a
time or gist with him. I missed my man and I want to leave. She's too poor.
There's no Ethan today. Meaning we can breathe.
Maybe he's tired of the little show you've been putting on, Sophia.
Right.
You know, I think you should know your place here.
Yeah. You're a nobody. You're just a guest in this house. Oh, sorry. A charity case. That's what you are. You're not supposed to be here. I mean, who let a stranger into his house?
A good man. That is something your brain will not understand. Do not flatter yourself, sweetheart. So let me tell you something. Ethan doesn't love you and he will never. Like you said, he's a good man. A kind man with a guilty conscience, and that is the only reason why you were here. Okay?
You're very right.
Why do you feel threatened? Why do you feel like every minute I spend with him is a threat to your relationship?
Please.
You know what I think? I think you're forcing yourself on him. And you're claiming to be his so-called wife. How come he didn't know you were coming?
Watch your mouth, Sophia.
I've been watching it, not today. So now if you have a problem with me, you take it up with Ethan. He brought me here and he's taking care of me. Not you, and not your opinion. So now you can shove your bitterness down your throat. I'll pass.
You're the one with bitterness in you.
Come in.
You didn't come to the dining.
I wasn't hungry.
I came to say thank you for the clothes. You're making life easier.
As you should.
Are you avoiding me?
No, I just don't want to make things worse.
You're not making anything worse.
You don't know how hard this is.
Then stop fighting it.
You don't understand, Sophia. I want you more than I should. Please, just leave. I want to be alone. Please.
Baby, good morning. Baby, see, last night was a mess. Please, let's not start today with tension, okay?
Good boy. I need to prepare for work.
Ethan, you always have something to do except me. Walk errand. Huh? What is it? You've been postponing our wedding. What do you have? Why are you doing it? Not like you have work. Not like you work like every hour of the day. What is going on? We've been engaged for almost a year now.
Annie, I told you I'm on a special assignment. And this assignment is important to my boss. And until it's done, I can't concentrate on any other thing.
What kind of special assignment that keep you away from me? Huh? How secretive, how draining could that assignment be, Ethan?
I need to go get it.
Ethan, we're not done talking.
I'm done.
Ethan, we're not done talking. I am not done talking to you. Don't you do this every time? Every time you try to walk out on me when you want to talk about something. She has to leave. That girl has to leave.
Hey, there you are. I was in your room, but you were not there. Come on now, why are you ignoring me?
You started it. You can play the game.
Look, I'm sorry I walked out yesterday.
Apology not accepted.
I said I'm sorry now. Please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry.
Fine. I cooked for you. It's in the car.
You didn't have to, Sophia.
Yeah, but I wanted to. Someone has to take care of you.
I'm confused. Like, how do I make it?
Zina, wait. You did like this.
Doesn't it hurt?
No.
I mean, I'm scared that if I do it like this, does it hurt?
Oh. Look who's walking like she owns this house. Huh?
Maybe she thinks my brother's house is a charity home.
Sophia, tell me, how does it feel like knowing that you can never belong here? That everything you touch, you didn't earn it.
Why are you obsessed with me, Annie?
Obsessed with you? Come on, girl. I just hate hypocrisy. You act all quiet and innocent like you're better than everyone else, but you're just a leech. Ethan pitied you, and that's it.
It's the fact that you keep calling me names, but it's not about me, is it? I think you're just scared.
Scared of what?
That despite all your expensive clothes and designer perfume, Ethan doesn't want you. And just maybe someone like me can be loved without having to buy it.
Do not flatter yourself, Sophia. Ethan wouldn't even settle for you. He sees you as a project. Ethan cannot even be with someone whose father sleeps under the bridge. No matter how many fake smiles you wear, you will always remain a poor girl and a pathetic one at that.
Say it again. I dare you, and you regret it.
Don't threaten her, Miss Sophie. Don't.
What will you do? You're going to throw your scholarship certificate at me, or you're going to cry into your second-hand shoes?
I may be poor, but I'm not heartless.
Oh.
I may not have all the luxury, but I don't go around poisoning people's mind and acting all perfect.
You don't actually love eating. I think you just hate being the center of attention.
Watch your mouth, girl.
Or what? You slap me. Try it. I'll hurt you so badly. You just hate the fact that I remind you of everything you're not. You're mean, you're loud, you're pathetic. So you can scream all you want. Doesn't make you right.
Get out. Sit down, Zina. Sit down. Sorry about that, okay? Why is he running like that?
No, that's what I'm trying to find out. I think I saw a shadow earlier, like a scary, really
Zina.
scary thing.
Annie, who took my lace dad watch from my room? I kept it on the table.
I don't know. I don't know. But I think I saw what's her name again? Miss Sophie coming out of your room. Yes, I saw her coming out of your room.
Yes, I did. Maybe you should ask her or check her bag.
Yeah.
Like, you know, maybe she might take
She
it.
might have taken it. Who knows?
What's going on?
Oh, here comes our scholarship sent.
I'm looking for my late dad's wristwatch that he gave to me.
So we're thinking that we should search you. Maybe the wristwatch should be in your
just
bag.
Maybe, I don't know. You know, maybe.
Really?
Yes, really.
Okay, let's go.
How do you open this thing? Search very well, please. Oh my God!
I
She
didn't think
stole
that. I haven't even seen this before.
Why are you lying? We saw it in your bag. How did it get to your bag if you didn't take it? Bro, are you understanding what I'm saying? Like, how? And I saw her coming out of your room just if you... I'm not trying to accuse you here, but how did it get to your bag?
Okay, everybody relax. I gave it to her.
You did?
Yes, I did. I gave it to, I think sometime last week. I must have forgotten.
But, Eden, why would you give it to her? Like,
Why can't I give it
your
to her?
father's wristwatch.
And
You can't-
yes, he gave it to me, so it belongs to me, and I can give it to whomever I choose to. And so, I gave it to her. And let this be the last time the both of you will accuse anyone of being a thief in this house. The next time you do that, you will leave this house. Am I clear?
You don't get dirty me like that. Excuse me.
Look at the road.
Thank you for trusting me.
Just get to where you were going to. I'll see you when you come back.
Ethan, how's my daughter?
She's very fine, sir.
Why are you answering in a rigid manner? How is Sophia doing?
She's doing well, sir. Just busy with school activities, that is all.
Ethan,
Sir.
I gave you my daughter to protect, to guide, and to make sure nothing happens to her. That you take her like a sister.
Yes, sir. I'm doing that, sir.
why are you not responding about taking her like a sister?
Nothing, sir. Nothing, sir. She's doing very well, sir. She's doing okay. She's perfectly fine. Sophia is just busy in school, sir.
Okay, then I'd like her to come over next week. I have some discussions that only I as a father would have with her.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ethan.
Sir.
Don't forget whose daughter she is and why she is in your house.
Yes, sir.
Let's go.
Hey! I was thinking about you. I have a plan. Let's go out this weekend. Let's go on a date, just you and I.
You're going home this weekend.
Eh? Why?
Your dad wants to see you.
Are you kicking me out?
No.
Then what is it? Because it's starting to seem like it. First you're pulling back and now you're asking me to leave. Do you even love me, or am I some sort of charity case, or are you... What's going on?
Sophia.
What?
That is not fair.
What is not fair is falling for someone that keeps hiding. Why are you pulling away? You keep saying you care about me, but you're not even showing it.
Sophia, stop, please.
Why should I stop? What's going on? What is it?
Love wasn't part of the plan. I told myself I just protect and stand. But every day she pulled me near, and now her voice is all I hear. Love wasn't part
Good morning.
of the plan.
Good morning.
Told myself I just protect.
You're quiet. Do you regret last night?
No, not at all. Not even for a second. Sophia, please, whatever happened between us should stay between us. No one has to know, especially your dad.
Why? Are you scared of him? He's just an old poor man, and you're rich, so he has nothing to fight you with.
Don't talk about your father like that, Sophia. He's a great man, and I respect him more than you know.
Great. Oh, please.
Get ready. We're going out together.
Yeah. We also need to find where I'll do my IT. If you can talk to your boss, something.
I'll see what I can do.
Protect and stand. But every day she pulled me.
I think I saved it. Where is it? Aha, look at it. This is where she lives with her father.
Ew.
This irritating. I can't even enter the house. God forbid. Can you see how irritating and disgusting it is?
So, This is the girl my Ethan has been kissing.
I'm telling you, don't just remind me of that part. That part annoys me.
This mouth should have probably drank from a rusted tin cup.
God. And guess what? I heard that she used to hawk granuts. Like, literally scream, buy your granuts, buy your pure water in traffic. She chases after cars to collect her change. You understand how... And this girl, is it because of this packaging she's doing here? Who knows what else she must have done in this life?
That's trashy.
Who knows?
You know, I don't care. I don't care how many pretty dresses she wears. She is from the gutters, from the slum.
Exactly.
And I'm done. I'm done letting her parading herself in this house like the queen. I'm done letting her take my man.
Exactly. This is the Auntie Annie I've been waiting for since. Because I want you to take action. Like, do anything you want to do to that lady. I'm behind you fully. You know what?
Yeah.
How about we go to her room and remind her where she came from?
Sure, ZINA.
Yeah.
I like that.
Let's start there. When we get there, make sure you show her what you're made of.
Nice one, ZINA.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Can't you knock and wait?
I don't understand. Is this your father's house? Wait. Which house am I comparing to my brother's mansion? That's leaking zinc shack in Ajegunle. Since.
Oh, you know, you should be thanking Ethan for bringing you out from that slump you came out from. But instead, now you're throwing yourself at him like a cheap slut.
I don't get it.
Hungry tray. You slept with him last night, right?
When you're done, please leave.
I am not done talking to you. You think we don't know how you bat your lashes and act like you're special? No matter how many times you wear your makeup, we've not forgotten who you are. You're a cheap project. A charity case for that matter.
Please remind her.
Well, first off, I'm not putting on makeup. And secondly, I don't need people to feel valuable. Neither will I need a man's money to cover my insecurities.
Yes. Good job.
Did you just...
Yes, and this is for sleeping with
And
my
you
mom.
deserve it. Yes, you deserve it, slum queen. You think you can just come into this house and become the queen of this house automatically? Let me tell you what you're supposed to be doing. You're supposed to be sweeping the floor, cooking, answering to me and Miss Annie and my brother. But no, you chose to fly around my brother like a pest. Rubbish.
Get out.
And you think I want to stay in this room? You've only been here for a while, but look at how this place is so unhygienic for me because you fill the whole room with poverty. Excuse me.
Of course, you need time to cry.
Nonsense.
Hey, princess. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Sophia, what happened to you?
It's nothing.
Sophia, who did this to you?
Annie. She slapped me. ZINA was there too. They insulted me.
Hey. Sophia, look at me. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm really sorry I wasn't there to protect you. But I promise you, this will never happen again. I swear it. Just give me a moment, okay? I'll be right back.
This one is going to be nice. Yeah. I mean, you with him on that day.
In Paris.
I don't want it to be too...
No, I like this one because I want a simple, cute, rich, elegant wedding. It's going to be in Paris. I'm not doing any Nigeria wedding.
Don't worry, my brother has to so I don't even...
Ah, babe!
Get up.
Baby, are you okay?
Get out.
What?
You're throwing me out of the house because of that thing?
No, I am throwing you out of this house because you insulted her, because you slapped her, and because you crossed the line.
Ethan, can you hear yourself? You're defending a nobody. A girl from the gutters.
Annie, I swear to God, if you repeat that word again, I will forget that I know you.
Bro, look.
Hey! This should be the first and the last time that I'm talking and you talk back at me. You see that stunt you pulled there? If you ever pull it again, I swear to God, you will not only leave this house, but you will leave my life.
Me?
Me? Yes, you. And you. Out.
Ethan, I loved you. And I stood by you.
No. You stood by what I could give you. You stood by my name. You stood by my money and not me. Get out. Now. Out.
Because of a girl from the gutters.
And you. Make sure you apologize to Sophia.
Oh.
I did not mix my word, ZINA. Because if you don't, you're next.
Next to do what? Want me to live your life? What is your life without me? At least I understand, Auntie Annie, but me, your sister, the only sister, the only person in this world. In fact, that. Let me not talk before he hears me. That woman, she will live your life, but I'm not. I'll always stay with you, by you. That girl, eh? That girl, eh?
So, what now? No Wi-Fi, no Netflix, just vibes?
Just vibes.
You know, I like nights like this. Just quiet and simple.
Me too. And besides, this jacket looks good on you.
I'm still in it and you better not stop me.
No, I won't. It looks better on you.
You know what I miss?
What?
Being a child. Everything was just easy.
You know, you like someone, you just tell them. No pressure.
Would it be easier if I said I like you?
You already did. The day you stood up for me. That was loud and clear.
Sophia, the thing is, I want to give you good memories to replace the bad ones.
You're already doing that. I mean, this right here is one of it. Don't let go. I feel safe with you.
Love wasn't part of the plan.
Never.
Told myself I just protect and stand. But every day she pulled me near, and now her voice is all I hear.
You're Cooper. Should I be worried?
Yes. But I might burn the egg, but I'll look good doing it.
Well, no argument there.
Put your hand again.
No.
Put your hand again.
No. Oh. I have an idea.
She walked into a house with roofs built on sacred, quiet and cruel. He said, protect her, don't let her fall. But hearts don't listen when love starts to call. She came in light, but carried rain, smiling like she felt both joy and pain. But I could see beyond grace a silent weight she couldn't place. Love wasn't part of the plan.
Auntie Annie, you need to come back here. I'm serious.
Zina, I told you to relax. I am not about to start dancing to that girl's tune. I will deal with her soon.
You don't understand. It's getting worse. The chemistry between those two people is too much. He looks at her as if she hung the moon or something.
What? Are you sure?
I'm in this house. I see everything. Do you know that today he came back from work and then immediately she smiled at him. He melted. Immediately. And they started dancing in the kitchen. Dancing. My brother doesn't even listen to music, not to talk of dancing with a girl. A poor girl.
So that girl still lives in this house?
Still lives here. She still acts like she owns the place. Look, Auntie Annie, if you don't come back to this house now, you might just lose my brother. And the next thing you hear is, oh, wedding between Sophie and Ita. Please.
All right, Zina, I'm coming back. And do not tell anybody, okay? Her little fairy tale will end soon.
Please, you need to come back. I'll call you back later. Let me freshen up and see what I can do with my day. With those two people playing love every time.
She walked into a house with roofs built on sacred, quiet and cruel. He said, protect her, don't let her fall.
You've been at this for hours. You should read Genius.
I have a deadline, and this genius is tired.
The pineapple juice. I will get you chocolate later.
Thank you.
Smiling like she felt both joy and
You know you look really beautiful when you're focused.
And it's so hard to not fall for someone that sees me that way.
Sophia, this shouldn't be happening. It's dangerous.
I'll take the risk.
She couldn't place. Love wasn't part of the plan. Told myself I just protect and stand.
You make me feel like I matter.
You do. More than you know.
Exam is tomorrow, and those invigilators are very strict. I'm a little anxious about it.
Hey. There's no need to be, okay? So I'm gonna wake you up tomorrow. I'll make you breakfast. And then I'll drop you off at school. Trust me, you're gonna do well. You've worked so hard.
Are you sure you're not my manager like this?
Well, I am your full-time manager, part-time therapist, and occasionally hot chocolate dealer, and forever best friend.
Right.
All right, it's time for bed. So that's early to bed, early to rise.
Oh, please.
A silent weight she couldn't place. Love wasn't part of the plan. Told myself I just protect and stand.
Set for your big day?
As ready as I'll ever be. Are you sure you want to take me?
Yes, I would. I mean, you need to be taken care of, especially today.
You do more than you should sometimes.
And I'll do more if you let me. Oh.
Please don't let anything come between us again.
I won't. You are prepared for this exam. So now let's go. I believe in you.
What did I do to deserve you?
Maybe the universe just feels like it's the time for you to be loved, right? All right, let's get going. And I'll be right there waiting for you until you're done.
Promise.
I promise. Let's go.
And now her voice is all I hear.
Okay, you said they left together.
Yes, they did. They left for her exam. Perfect couple, right?
Yeah, that's disgusting.
Telling you.
That girl. She's always feeling as if she owns this place.
Don't worry.
Now that I'm around, I am not leaving here until she leaves.
I trust you so much that you can do it.
Did you call Sophia like I said?
Of course I did.
Mm.
I told her that my brother said she should hurry home.
Okay.
And she must be on her way by now because she melts at the mention of his name. Ethan.
Well, that's perfect. Okay? So, let's cheers. Let's cheers to the end of Sophia in this house.
Right? To the end of that local witch.
Yes, my little helpers. That's for you and this is for me. So let's cheers, girl.
Oh,
my little helper.
I can't wait.
Me too.
God. You know, it's been a while. I've wanted. Because I was saying, so irritating. Like the things they. Wait. I feel. Okay, just.
Oh.
Like my tummy, but
Sophie.
What did you put in that drink?
Zina, I am sorry, okay? I'm sorry.
Wait. What did you put in my drink?
It's okay, Zina, let me explain. See, you were being too petty, too loud, too disposable, and I feel like this will actually help you, will help us. Okay. See, if you die now, it's going to break Ethan's heart. And it's going to destroy whatever he feels for that poor thing. Okay?
Please, I beg you, please take me to the hospital. I'm not ready to.
I can't take you to the hospital. If I take you to the hospital, you're going to tell them. You're going to ruin my plan. You're going to talk, and I don't want you to talk. Zina, please, calm down. Okay. Stop shouting. Okay, Zina, it's okay. Stop shouting. You know what I'm going to do now? So I drop this glass here. When Sophie gets here and Ethan comes back and he sees her, he would think she kills you out of jealousy. And he's going to chase her away. I beg you.
Please help me.
Sophie,
Please help me. Please help.
I love you so much, Zina. I can't. And you're going to be in a good hands. God is going to bless you. Okay? Rest in peace, Zina.
Help me, please don't leave me here. I won't.
I'm sorry. Rest in peace. I love you so much.
Zina. She's sleeping. Zina. 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 Get up. Zina. Zina. Zina!
What am I going to do? Zina! Zina, don't do this to me. Ethan, pick your call. What? Hey, what am I going to... Hello? Ethan, please come home. It's Zina. I don't know what's wrong with her. She's not waking up. Zina! Zina, get up! Zina! Zina, please wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Zina! Oh my God, what am I going to do? Zina, please wake up! Zina, please wake up! Don't do this to me! What happened to Zina? What happened to Zina? Ethan!
What are you doing here?
You poisoned her, right? You murdered her out of jealousy. You!
Annie, how did you know Zina was poisoned?
You know, I assumed. Like, who would want to actually poison Zina if not her? Out of jealousy. You killed her. You were jealous of her. You were jealous of the world, the way the brother was pampering her. Who would want to kill her if not you? She did it. She killed Zina. She poisoned her.
That is not what I asked. You said she was poisoned. And Sophia and I just found out this morning. No one else knew. Except you knew before it happened.
Why have you really come here today? Huh? You? Well, I came here to tell Ethan that he cannot be with the girl who murdered his sister. Do you think this is love? Now look at me. Do you think she loves you? No. It's manipulation, Ethan. She wants your money. She wants a life she could never afford. She wants everything. She wants the luxury. She wants everything. She doesn't love you. Oh,
Annie,
poor girl.
that's enough. Who said Sophia murdered Zina?
I mean, who would want to actually hurt Zina if not her? She doesn't like her. They don't even agree. They always fight.
Annie, Zina is alive. She'll be discharged tomorrow morning. And the only reason she's alive is because Sophia here came in on time and got her admitted in the hospital.
Zina's not dead?
Yes.
Okay. What hospital is she?
We will not be disclosing that until we find out who tried to kill her.
If not you, who else? Oh my poor Zina. Oh my God, I just hope she's fine.
It's all right. Easy. Easy.
Zina, how are you? How are you feeling? It's now. How are you feeling? I'm okay. I'm okay.
How are you feeling?
Good, thank you. Bro, I want to tell you something.
What is it?
Auntie Annie poisoned me.
What?
Yes, she did.
And poison? No, come on. She can't do something like that.
She did. I know what I'm saying. She gave me something to drink and then a few minutes later I was struggling with my life.
Zina, look, this is a very huge accusation to just throw around without proof, okay? I need you to just focus on getting better for now. Alright?
No, I know what I'm saying. She even said it herself. The reason for the whole poisoning and my death is so that you can throw Auntie Sophia out. Because...
You know, that was what I suspected from the beginning.
Look, guys, please. This is a heavy accusation to throw around without proof, guys. Just, ZINA, focus on your recovery, okay? I promise you, I will do everything within my power to get to the end of this case. But for now, I just want you to get better. That is all. Please. Okay? Just do that for me.
Okay. It's okay. And Auntie Sophia, I'm really grateful. Thank you for saving my life. I'm sorry. I'm sorry about everything I did.
It's okay. It's okay.
I'm really sorry, please. I've realized my mistakes and...
It's okay. It's okay.
What time? Ethan. Ethan.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Sir. Daddy.
ZINA, how are you, darling?
Daddy.
Sit down. Oh, yes, that's my daughter.
What are you doing here?
Sweetheart, look. Everything in this house belongs to your father. Sit.
Bro.
Sit.
See your boss.
Yes, this is Chief Raymond Okafor, the CEO and founder of Actions Group of Company. My boss and Sophia's dad.
Sweetheart, you know, when something bigger than the cricket enters the cricket's hole, it has to do everything possible to survive. I had made very, very powerful enemies, and they were after your life. So I needed to do everything humanly possible to protect you. And then I had to use Ethan here to keep you alive so that he could care for you and protect you. This is what happened. I had a pipeline contract. Well, ran into millions. And your mom and I were very happy. But there were people who wanted the same contracts, but they didn't get them. And your mom and I were so excited. And we actually celebrated it, you know. Ethan here started working for me. But a group of people who wanted the same contract but didn't get it. Kidnapped your mother. They murdered her. Murdered my wife. They told me that if I didn't relinquish the contracts, they were going to kill you too. I was not prepared to lose the two most important people in my life. I offered them my life, and they refused. They wanted yours. Now I had to do what I had to do to keep you alive. So I called Ethan here, my boy, and we devised a means to keep you alive. I had to relinquish my status as a very wealthy man. And everything I had, I to metamorphose into a poor man. And that was why we went to live where we're living. You would recall that whenever you demanded for anything, I would tell you that, God will provide. And that He will provide all your needs at the appropriate time. I also did tell you that what you didn't know was what was protecting you. But you didn't understand that. And you would also recall that whenever you asked for anything, I would just smile. Because I knew that a time will come when you have everything. Ethan, I thank you for cooperating with me in making it possible that I saved the life of my daughter. I thank you so much. So, sweetheart, I did what I did to protect you. And I hope you would forgive what I did.
So, this whole time, you were paid to be in my life. Ethan. It was just an assignment.
No, Sophia, no. That's not how it turned out.
Excuse me.
Sophia.
She will come around. ZINA, how are you? There's no problem. Go and keep her company. Hey, young man.
Sashi will hate me. She's going to hate me. She's going to see me as the devil.
Really? Get me a bottle of wine, my friend.
Yes, sir.
The lion is back. Yeah.
What do you want?
Please, I want to talk to you. Sophia, I'm sorry.
Sorry. What are you sorry for exactly? Be specific. Are you sorry that you lied to me? Are you sorry for pretending? Are you sorry for making me feel sin when I was just an assignment?
Sophia, listen, yes, it started off as a job. Your father wanted me to protect you, wanted me to be there for you, but
It didn't end that
So what way did it end? What do we have? Do you even love me? I thought it was real. I thought when we kissed and when we hugged and when we talked about dreams and fear, it was real, but it was not. I was just a project. A paycheck.
Sophia, you don't understand. Somewhere in the middle, I fell for you. It wasn't supposed to happen.
Why did you hide the truth?
Don't you get it? He would have my head. Your father. He asked me to protect you, guide you, be there for you, but not fall in love with you. You have to believe me, Sophia. I have never been not serious about anything in my entire life.
You're a coward. That's what you are. Hiding under duty. No wonder you were nervous whenever I mentioned him and you didn't want him to know about us. I'm not a secret. Not anymore. Get out.
Sophia. Sophia, please. Please don't do this. Look, I love you. I don't just know how to fix this, but please.
Go
please.
back to your room. We have a board meeting tomorrow, and you'll be coming with me. And as your boss, you'll follow instruction.
Sophia.
That's Miss Raymond to you now.
Good night, Miss Raymond.
She walked into a house with rules built on secret, quiet and cruel. He said, protect her, don't let her fall. But hearts don't listen when love starts to call. She came in light, but carried rain, smiling like
Sophia, please can we talk?
This is not the time. We have a schedule to maintain. And I do not mix my personal feelings with company matters. And once we arrive, I want you to brief the board on the Q2 financial flow and introduce the updated security proposal. Stick to the time. My father expects precision.
Yes, ma'am.
but every day she put me near, and now her voice is all I hear. Love wasn't part of the plan. Told myself I just protect and stand, but every day she put me near, and now
She still won't talk to you.
She just treats me like an ordinary driver. She didn't even say a word. She just asked me to go home like I'm one driver.
Maybe she expects you to be more than a driver.
Well, how will I be more than a driver when she won't even talk to me? She won't even give me a chance.
Listen, I think you should try showing her not just talking to her. I mean, prove it to her that she's not just a project or a job. Prove it to her that it's real for you.
How do I prove it to her when she built this high wall around her?
Then climb higher. If she mattered so much to you when you were lying to her, then now that you're saying the truth, I think you should fight harder.
What if I've lost her?
Then lose her trying and not sitting down there.
You know you've grown, Z.
I mean, I almost died, and this same person saved my life, so I think I should think differently now.
Well, I'm proud of the woman you're becoming.
Oh, thanks to you.
Let me freshen up and come down to eat. I'm hungry.
Who told you this? I mean, I didn't...
Don't play with me. Don't play with me.
I didn't prepare.
Yeah. Let me quickly get the documents. Okay. I'll be right back. Okay.
Daddy. I'm sorry. I'm sorry about the way I treated you. I'm sorry about the things I did. I didn't know what you had planned for me. I don't know what to do, but I know I'm going to spend the rest of my life making this up to you.
You're the best daughter anybody would want to have. I'm so sorry that I didn't tell you. But if I had told you, it may not have worked. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Yes, sweetheart. Welcome back home.
Thank you.
Ethan, how far are we doing?
Coming through, sir. Oh, there it is. There you go. Thank you, sir. Okay. You gotta relax a little bit.
I'll be upstairs.
Please, don't we talk?
I just want to relax.
Please, I need to do this now. It can't wait till tomorrow, please.
Sir, I know the instruction was to protect Sophia, to guide her, and to make sure she's safe at all times, and not to fall in love with her. But sir, please, along the line, I fell in love with her without my control, and I'm in love with her, sir. Sophia, you're not an assignment. You're not a project. Yes, you started off as a project, as an assignment, but along the way, I came to see how wonderful you are. I came to see how beautiful you are from the inside. And I fell in love with you, Sophia. Please. Sophia.
Why are you doing this now? Why here?
I couldn't express myself in the past to tell you how much I love you because of the circumstances surrounding the situation. But please, Sophia, I love you. I don't want you to throw away all what we shared just because things have changed now. Please.
Sophia? If you believe in, if you trust, and you love him too, you can go ahead. I'll support you. I won't stand in your way. Why?
So please. It's okay. I know I have done a lot of things to you that I regret. And if there's any reason to forgive my brother, I wouldn't be because of me. Please. I can think my brother really loves you. I mean, I've never seen him like this before. Please. I want to beg you on his behalf, please. Forgive him.
Please, Sophie. Please.
But hearts don't listen when love starts to call. She came in light, but carried rain, smiling like she felt both joy and pain. But I could see beyond grace a silent weight she couldn't place. Love wasn't part of the plan. Told myself I just protect and stand.